welcome to Records Rebuilds. Today we're going to be setting out from Wichita, Kansas on a 2-car caravan to the NCM Bash to hopefully get to see some C8 Z06s and learn some more information. My dad in the 1999 black C5 Corvette, and then believe it or not, we've actually finally finished the 2015 Z51 Corvette, and my 3-year-old is already asleep, as you might have guessed. So let's get this show on the road. Johnny, what car are we driving?
Corvette.
Yeah. Where are we going, buddy?
Kentucky.
Yeah. Are we gonna see some Corvettes? Yeah. That's right, buddy. Okay, so I'm here at the National Corvette Museum. I've got my New Balance and my tube socks on, and there are a lot of really cool looking cars here. Okay, this is my favorite artifact in the entire National Corvette Museum. This is the original Corvette logo from 1953. Just before it went on stage at the Autorama in New York City, the lawyers canned it because in the 1950s there were laws that said you could not use the American flag in advertising, which of course seems crazy to us today. I still wish this was the logo the Corvette had today. It just looks so cool to me. Okay, now on to what everybody really wants to know. We do have a little bit of information on the C8 Z06 to share. We were really hoping that here at the Bash we'd see some captured test fleet Z06s, but it looks like that is just not going to be the case. There are 3 Z06 prototypes here, 2 regular Z06s and 1 Z07, and they look just great, but they all have a VIN number that ends with the EX, which shows us that they're not part of the captured test fleet. And actually, one of the Mid-Engine Corvette forum members posted that tonight at the dinner, one of the engineers shared that there are no Z06 CTF vehicles yet at this point, but they are just right on the verge of producing them. So we'll have to wait just a little bit longer. Remember, if you see a car that has a VIN number that does not end in EX, that's a Z06 with a VIN number that does not end in EX, snap a picture and send it to me as soon as possible. Next, we've known for a while now that there is a removable panel in the middle of the grille of the Z06, and that removing this panel will add extra downforce to the front splitter and increase cooling to the additional radiator that the Z06 features. So I asked Harlan Charles about that today, and he said it is present on the regular Z06 and the Z06 with Z07, and in both options you would want the panel to be removed on any track day. That's the way the car is designed to be used. As you can see here, it looks like you just use a trim tool much the way you would when you pop out the tow hook cover in order to install the tow hooks. Here's a picture of the radiator behind that area. So you can see there's actually a lot more airflow it's capable of if you remove that panel. And then you've got this quote from Nora Roper, assistant plant manager here in Bowling Green. She gave an excellent talk about all the trouble they've had, including the tornado, but also about how things are getting more and more consistent, and she feels more and more confident that things are getting better. It wasn't a doom and gloom message at all.
I would tell you that I'm a lot more optimistic now. I know we're down this week, but it was kind of not related directly to COVID. I am more optimistic that we're getting more stability. We're getting more stability in our workforce, and that's good for the people and it's good for the car. So we're starting to see some stability.
Then we've got the optional red Z06 logo that you can choose to replace the standard script on the rocker panel. I think it's going to look really good when you pair it with certain colors. You can see where it is on the car right over here. We also confirmed that every single Stingray, not just the anniversary editions, will be getting this script on the rear window and this badging in the interior. This was the case on the 2 anniversary editions that they have here, but also on a red car that is just a 2023 Stingray CTF car. So there you go. That's what I learned from day 1 at the NCM Bash. If you like this video and you'd like to see other videos from the Bash, be sure to hit that subscribe button below, and I will leave you guys with some drive-by footage of one of the C8 Z06s they have here, as well as one of the anniversary cars in that carbon flash metallic that really sparkles in the sunlight.